गिवन देम मेरे को फोन यूं के नजारा सपोर्ट अगर आपके पास सलाद नहीं है Assalamu alaikum guys, you may see that we are on super highway and there are some rain clouds as well. We expect some more rain and now we have got children with us. And now we are going to explore the super highway, and along this road we'll be exploring some cafes. Basically we have come out to enjoy the rainy season and we are on the highway. So yes, this is M9 motorway. We are standing on the M9 motorway. What Sakina have to say? Sakina, what do you have to say? The Karachi motorway. So Waliyah, Eshal, do you want to say anything?
But I say the view is so nice.
The view is good.
No.
So let's explore this road.
In the sky, and my hair is flying because I don't make the pony. I have this here. Look, my hair is running. We're in the car. We having so much fun. And our cousin is going to come in next night. Now
Tool Plaza.
Oh. Dad, can you tell about it? I mean, you can tell about it.
Well, it's toll plaza, and we have to pay the toll in order to, drive the car on the super highway. So let's see how much they charge. I'll see this.
Look at that!
Well, I think we should eat some rosh. We should look for some rosh.
You mean rose?
Rosh, rosh, whatever it is.
Yeah, I love rose. Yeah, we love it. I love rose. We eat the rose, and it was so delicious. It seems nice and cloudy and nice and lighting, but it is night. It just look lighting, but it is not lighting because it says. I mean, it is night.
It's night time, guys.
It's getting dark.
It's dark.
It's getting cloud is getting dark. Cloud. Enjoy the rain so much. I can ask the rain. I love it. Oh
अल्लाह के
God.
हर काम में बैठती है क्यों समझ आपसे दो रेस्टोरेंट किधर है देखने थे दो रेस्टोरेंट guys Beirut town has closed like visitors or guest visits, so now we are going to go back.
There is a snow. I really need to eat it. If this is lockdown, no. Don't break the food. Guys, if we are on the trip to land, we can see the other nice view and nice music. My smell. Guys, I am eating an apple. I think the phone is ringing. I've eaten some apple.
Yum, yum.
Yum, yum. Dad, you tell about it. What we are.
I need some peanuts.
Oh, peanuts? Yes, I can eat that.
You don't open it. Guys, we have got this menu over here, and they are observing this SOPs. So we have got to stand over here. We have got to wait over here, and Yusha is here. Okay, so let's see. Yusha, what do you want? For our family, we have opted this thing. and Yusha is going to have, I think, this deal. Isn't it, Yusha?
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, Jam Booth has been closed because it's 10 o'clock and we are waiting for our order. I think it's done.
Now guys, the shop has just closed down, but I've got, last was my order. Okay, they have served me last order now, and now I have got the order, and they are going, the children are going to feast over this thing. Okay, so let's hope they are going to enjoy it, inshallah. Thank you.